Discover House of Lalpur, where leadership meets adventure and every challenge is a new learning curve.
Leadership, adventurous skills, coordination,
a lot of fun,
breath of fresh air, informational,
homely vibe.
This is an experience that everybody should have at least once in their life.
It was beyond what was we imagined.
Learning confined in the four walls of the classroom can never be as effective as it was in the bootcamp over here.
And this leadership boot camp, the adventure camp, is a must for all to attend.
Our first challenge was Killa Quest, where we had thrilling adventures that taught us leadership skills at every turn.
The Killa Quest for me personally was basically about teamwork and working with the people I never thought I could ever work with in a team.
The trek was tough, but every step up that mountain made me feel more alive.
The second day of our in Punjab, we went to the trek in Basali, which was an unforgettable and fabulous experience.
The innovation project was completely unplanned. When we heard that we have to assemble those e-motorized bicycles by ourselves, I was very nervous and excited at the same time.
The innovation project was a chance to turn ideas into reality. It's amazing to see what you can create when you think outside the box.
And the most important thing, kayaking. It was the activity which I was excited about even before coming here.
During the sessions, we didn't just talk. We connected, we debated, and we grew. It's where thoughts became visions.
I think our children had a fantastic session along with legendary Dr. Sumer Singh ji. The resource persons, Mr. Tejas Jain, very enriching, and I think the children really enjoyed.
The talk by Tejas, that was immediate connect with the student. And not only students, as teachers also, we were also able to connect.
How these things up? We could have more sessions with Mr. Tejas, more interactive sessions rather with him.
looking at the sun inside the hotel is a special feeling for me.
What I did today was something my usual self would have not done.
Quality project made me feel like a leader, and how can a leader be? I never thought that I'll do such a thing in my life, how to design a country's flag, how to name a country.
We were actually given the opportunity to not only visualize but actually create the country we wanted.
They ventured on those bicycles through the fields of Punjab. I think that will be the most interesting experience for that.
We got an unplanned surprise from the e-motorrad, and we were driving the cycles between the fields, between two fields, and it was very fun. I would like to do it again.
Hello, I'm Kavya, and I've been riding bicycles since I was 6 or 7. But the experience I had today was by far the most different and the most fun experience I've had riding a bicycle.
Hi everyone, we visited a farm which is made by Sumer sir, and we got to know about different fruits and vegetables and how they are grown in natural environment. We also got a chance to eat many of them fresh from the farm, and it was the breath of fresh air.
And yes, learning can happen in nature, around nature.
This is going to be a lifetime experience for all of us.
To to reach anywhere in life, there has to be a balance. You'll stumble, but yes, you rise again and then you move forward. So overall, the experience was really good. The stay here was very comfortable. Ma'am Indu it was a very warm welcome that we received from her. The hospitality is great here. Food is amazing. All of us, we really never knew that yes, we could eat this much, but yes, we gorged on the food. It was really delicious.
This turned out to be an extremely fun and resourceful experience for all of us, and I believe we will cherish these memories our entire life.
These young students are full of energy, full of enthusiasm, and they were very enthusiastic to come here. And we all were looking forward as to what is there for these 3 days. And yes, it was beyond what was we imagined. This program is designed in such a manner so as to give them proper environment, proper type of atmosphere, so that they start thinking, they start reflecting upon their abilities, and then they develop that particular sense that yes, we have that and we can achieve that.
Lead, learn, and conquer at Lalpur. Your adventure starts here.